In this video we are going to discuss about the what is the CNC axis and what are the G codes and M codes for writing the programs. Right. So first of all, when going for the lathe machine, we should know what are the axis, coordinate axis are going to be used. So here in this case, when we are writing the program, that is the tool movement where it has to move, we have to write in terms of coordinate system. So X and Z, they are the two coordinate system we are going to use here. So as we discussed, X is the diameter controlling axis and Z is the length controlling axis. So this is what the spindle where we that. So the chuck, imagine this is a chuck and this is the job and it is going to be rotated. Okay, so this is what we are going to rotate it, and this is the turret where the tool position, this is the tool. So here from the tool it is located in some position, we call it as, this is the form position, we call it as the form position of our reference position. So this is the tool or reference position where we call it as a reference point or home point. Or so to bring this, we are going to use a code called G28. In further classes we will study about what is the G28. So for bringing this, see in this is manufacturing industry, well manufacturing itself, they defined this from this data. Okay, this is called the machine 0 point, and here it is a work 0 point. All three reference point we are going to see. Machine 0 point is here, it is fixed, and the work reference point, this depends upon the work what we are going to do it. Okay, so the work may be different. So the work will be changed. Work may be the distance of the work may be getting changed. So that for that purpose, the work 0 may be changed. But here the machine 0 point and this reference point will not be getting changed. Only this position, it depends upon the work length, it can be changed. So the maximum X and the maximum Z and maximum X, the industry itself, the manufacturer itself, they keep the home 0 point. Okay, this is the home 0 point or the reference point, or we will hold. So these three are very important for whenever we are writing a program. We should know that what is the home position and what is the work reference position, X0 and Z0 position. So here the G codes which are used for writing the program are the basics G codes we are going to see here. One is G00, rapid traversal. That is very fast. It has to move very fast, and when we need the tool has to move very fast, we can use the G00. Where there is no machining operation is going to be taking place, we are going to use this. And the G01 is the linear interpolation, which is called the feed. Okay, when we are going to give a feed that time, it will be useful for G01. G02 is circular interpolation, and G03 is a counterclockwise circular interpolation. When the tool has to move in a curve manner, a circular manner, that time it will be useful. Right, and then G04 is a well, which is normally it's a pause time. If you want to pause the tool for some seconds in a particular position, there we will use that well. And each data input and metric data input where the inch and metric data which is used for writing the program, how the component should be produced in terms of inches or in terms of mm. That is how the tool has to move. Then only the tool will move in terms of inches or mm. According to that, the tool can be moved. So G20 and G21 are a very important thing. By changing this, you can change the unit from one unit to another unit. And this is what I said, no, that is the reference point written. So home position, if I want to bring the tool to its home position, then I have to use this G28 for returning to the home position. And this is G33, so it is used for thread cutting. So I will go for this cycle. This is normally single G codes are useful. It is a preparatory function which will be used for a single movement. And suppose if I want to do a cycle of operations, okay, canned cycle, we will call it the canned cycle. Then we will go to use the canned cycles. And this is called tool loss radius compensation. So when we are going to use the tool radius compensation where the diameter of the tool, normally when we call the tool, it will come exactly to the center of the component. But I want to do the movement of the job when it is to be moved in a path, right? Whether it can move outside of the line, or it can be moved in the inside of this. The tool movement, we can move either this direction or that direction, and it depends upon the diameter and the radius of the tool. So this now we will discuss in the further milling programs. And the M codes for turning. What are the M codes? M codes is already we have said that it is a miscellaneous code. The miscellaneous code is used for program start, spindle stop, rotation in the clockwise, counterclockwise, and what is it? We can use for check to open close. Okay, here it is. You can see this program counterclockwise and clockwise. When I want to rotate the spindle in clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction, I can use M02 and M03. As well as the spindle, if I want to stop the spindle, I can use M05, and for tool selection M06 I can use it, and the coolant on off M08 and M09. If when we are using the product, when we are machining the product, so the product will get heated up, and the tool inserts will also get getting heated up. So for that purpose, we are going to use the coolant during the machining process. So to on the coolant motor and off, we are going to use the M08 and M09, as well as the chuck open close for keeping the jobs. Okay, I want to keep the job in the normal manual machines or conventional machines. We will use the chuck keys, but in CNC machines it is automatic with the help of pneumatic or hydraulic system. So if I use the code M10 or M11, the chuck can be opened automatically and we can keep the job. Then it can be closed with the M11 code. That's what M10, M11. It will be useful for opening the chuck opening and closing, as well as the door opening closing. That is CNC doors for the safety of the operators. So this can be used open and close with the help of M38 and the M39. And the program end to start, we will use M30 for programming stop, and M98, 99. This is with for subroutine. Repeated program, a program which is repeatedly an operation is going to be done in some areas. So I can write a small program and I can call whenever it is required. So that is called, we can call the subroutine program, okay, subprogram. And we are writing a subprogram, we can call whenever it is required. So to call the program and to end the program, the M98 and the M99 will be useful. So interpolation in the sense movement of the tool, it may be a linear movement or it may be a circular movement. So G01 will be used for linear movement of the tool, and G02 and G03 will be used for the circular movement. Circular may be clockwise movement, you can see this clockwise circular movement or counterclockwise circular movement. So when the tool has to move in clockwise manner, so that we will call as G02, and when the tool has to move in a counterclockwise manner, so this is in this manner, you can see this is called counterclockwise and this is the clockwise manner. Tool is moved from this direction to this direction. So we will use G02 here and we will use G03 here when we are going to make a counterclockwise. Very important thing is this is the G01 and G02, G03. So the linear and the thing is canned cycle. We are going to see about the canned cycles. Canned cycles are repeated cycles whenever it is needed. So box turning, box paging, grooving, these are all multiple operations, multiple times it is going to be used. So a particular sequence of operation, when it is continuously doing, we will call as a cycle. So this canned cycle is going for multiple process. Okay. So to perform the same set of operations, we are going to use these cycles. So this is normally box turning cycle, box paging cycle, grooving cycle, and these are all the G codes which are used for. So G70 for finishing cycle, 71 for rough multiple cycle, which is normally we will go and see these programs. And this is box turning cycle, taper turning cycle, the important codes of G90. This is what we are going to see in the programs when we are writing. So when multiple passes are going to be done, we are going to say as a cycle. So this will be used for different cycles. And the feed is very important.